Hello guys, and welcome to weekly update here on Pound USD. We've got EURUSD, Gold, USDCAD, and DXY. Starting off with Pound USD, my anticipation was to see price probably break into this region, retest, and continue to the downside. Or we could get a continuation to the upside. As you can see, this didn't really play out, although we had price pushing to this region, but we didn't break this regions of 1.3623 and to continue to the upside, and then we saw like a double top on price dumped. So when price broke into this region, I was waiting for a pullback, and price rejected these regions here. I didn't really wait for it to come back to these regions, and I sold, and I currently bought, and I'm out of the trade. So let me show you. So I currently had this price. I was already in this trade when price created this rejection here. So my stops just above here, it nearly took me out, and we had a good one. It's the trade there. Also had this morning, I had price creating these rejections here. I went in for buy. I'm out right now. Just close to 80% at this point. So that's that for the week. But going forward, this is we saw price come into this region, right? So it is more like a very strong resistant region, and price has rejected and it's currently going up. So going forward between now and the end of this is Friday, and put into the 30 hours time, 30 minutes time frame here, I see price being rejected here. So going forward for the rest of the week, you might want to see price maybe come into this region here, then maybe continue to the downside. All right, this is what I've just been looking out for the rest of the week. The only way I will continue the sell positions would be if price rejects here and comes back here, and then I'll look for a continuation to the downside. That's that for Pound USD. EURUSD quite similar. We've seen price come into this region and it's holding very strong right here. So I would anticipate to see, well, let me see, seeing price come back above here to look for buy entries. Sales will definitely be, I'll shift this now to see price break below this previously held resistance, now support. If it breaks, it will become a resistance again, so look for price to sell down. Okay, over here for gold, gold is doing crazy. So I think price is actually, it was previously held as a resistance, now it's holding off as support. Possibly if you slide to the 1 hour time frame, we want to make an adjustment here. Let me take this off. You could just see that this is an area that's probably been held before, the whole of this region. Adjust this as well. So for gold, I just anticipate that we're going to actually just continue the buys up. Oh, sorry. So more or less this way. Okay, basically. So back on the 4 hours time frame, want to anticipate price continuing to the upside here, and sells below here, basically. Okay, quickly, USDCAD quite similar, as I'm seeing price about to start buying for Pound USD and EURUSD. We might want to see that this bearish engulfing candle here is stating that we might actually start selling. So I might just want to see price just starts continuing to the downside. The only time for buys would be price above these regions, basically. Okay, and then DXY for confluence, seems some kind of messy things here. So here was hold off, this resistance region was held. Price really didn't come back all the way to these regions, but I would anticipate that price will start continuing to the downside now. Only time we might consider buys here in DXY is when price breaks above this region here. Okay, push this in a little bit, basically. All right, that's that for the updates. Let's see what happens between now and the end of the trading week, and I'll see you guys for recap, and ciao.